Got some wisdom for me?
I got an interesting story. I was telling my friend this the other day. We were talking about high school athletics and what we played and stuff. I remember one time in varsity basketball, I brought the ball down, pulled up from about 20 feet, hit a jump shot, boom, nothing but net, swish. 2 trips later down the court, 2 possessions later, I'd bring it down, I'd go to throw an entry pass to the wing to run the offense. And I threw the laziest pass in the world. Might as well have been underhand. The defender steps in, steals it, dribbles down, boom, left-handed slam dunk. He threw it down so hard the rim rattles. The crowd goes wild. Coach goes, timeout, get over here. He goes, you know, Tom, he goes, you possess a skill that very few players possess. You have the ability to help both teams at the same time. And at the time I was stymied, but looking back, it's pretty dang funny.
Thanks for the wisdom.